Today, Florida's insurance rating agency expects to complete reinsurance reviews for property insurance companies across Florida. Reinsurance is basically insurance for insurance companies.
And ABC Action News in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos has been covering this from every angle on the price of paradise. She explains what's happening and why the extra costs may be falling on homeowners.
The amount that it went up is $2,602 this year from last year. So now it's at $4,393.
$4,393. Lutz homeowner Mary Kilgore didn't want to go on camera, but she represents 78,000 Floridians with Southern Fidelity property insurance. Her premium not only doubled this year, her insurance company also just lost its financial rating from Demotech and is working to offload all of their Florida policies to other insurers. But no one has even told her.
I haven't heard one word about that. Nothing. You're the first person to say anything.
Demotech tells me they knew Southern Fidelity wouldn't be able to get enough reinsurance for the 2020 hurricane season.
It was obvious they were having a very difficult time putting together an acceptable catastrophe reinsurance program that resulted in the rating withdrawal.
The next day, the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation filed this consent order stating Southern Fidelity is in hazardous financial condition and must begin a wind-down plan. This is different from receivership, where the state nonprofit FIGA takes over their existing claims and customers have to find new coverage on their own.
So what they've asked them to do is begin the immediate process of placing their 78,000 customers, which are 78,000 home policy holders, with other private insurers in the state.
Reality is, Southern Fidelity is just one of several property insurance companies ending business in Florida in the last 6 months alone. Avatar, St. John's, and Lighthouse are all in liquidation. FedNat dropped 68,000 policies, nearly half of their customers. Lexington Insurance pulled out of the state. As for those who are no longer writing any new business in either parts or all of the state, I've been keeping track. In 2022, that's Florida Farm Bureau, TipTap, United, People's Trust, Universal, Heritage, Progressive, Safeport, and Wilshire. As I've reported in past months, Florida property insurance companies have paid about $15 billion in litigated claims since 2015, majority to roofing companies and their attorneys.
Last year, we had over 100,000 property lawsuits in the state of Florida. All 49 other states combined had 25,000 property lawsuits. So the reinsurers who are putting their capital here in Florida to support the domestic insurance market have basically said, we're not doing this anymore.
Many Florida residential insurers that are buying reinsurance to complete their programs for 2022 are spending much more than they projected, because the reinsurance market looks at Florida as being so volatile.
The Insurance Information Institute says that cost will fall on homeowners.
We understand several companies, if they haven't already done so, are planning to file significant rate increases to cover these higher reinsurance expenses.
Kilgore is now working to get more information on new insurance.
A new company, great. How much is that going to charge me?
Some sources tell me up to 10 companies are struggling to get reinsurance. Other sources tell me it's looking more like 5. Of course, we'll learn more in the coming days. In Tampa Bay, I'm in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos, ABC Action News.